Recall that valve has rubber bushings inside that can be damaged due to heat. The Schrader valve also has rubber bushings inside and on the valve body. To prevent damage, we should always remove Schrader fitting from joint before brazing. While performing brazing, soldering, and welding operation, we should always wear personal protective equipment, PPE, to protect against health and safety hazards. These includes heat-resistant clothing, safety glasses, face and respiratory masks, gloves, and safety-toed shoes. The hazards from heat, sparks and molten metal can be minimized by wearing flame-resistant clothing. We should always wear flame-resistant cotton or leather clothing. Any other materials such as synthetic, nylon or polyester wear is strictly prohibited during the operation as they burn very easily. It is essential to wear safety glasses when working near hazardous radiation caused by brazing and soldering. Safety glasses are crucial because they provide protection to our eyes and prevent things from causing injury to them. Gloves are essential because they protect our hands while also allowing us to perform our job. We should wear leather gloves while performing brazing and soldering as they keep sparks and lights away from our hands. Face and respiratory masks are important to protect our lungs. We may be exposed to hazardous fumes while heating metal. For example, brazing pipes in HVAC systems can cause hazardous fumes. We wear safety-toed leather shoes or boots to protect our feet from sparks and molten metal. Safety gear is important to wear at work because it protects us from possible injury or death. Brazing and soldering has fire risk and pressure risk. The following safety gears are important to wear while brazing and soldering to protect ourselves from harm. Hard hats, safety glasses, gloves, face masks, and safety-toed shoes.